Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback Mini front mud flaps on a 2019 Ford Edge. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, identify and remove the 3 factory push pins on the inner fender and 1 on the underside of the fender, as shown. Next, pull back the plastic guard and inner liner as shown to reveal the 3 factory holes that contained the push pins. Install a U-clip onto each one of the 3 holes. Take note to face the U-clips in the proper direction when installing. Reinstall the liner and guard and the factory push pin on the underside of the fender. Next, with scissors or a cutting tool, cut a small rectangle out on the lower portion of the fabric liner as shown. This will allow the flap to sit higher up and fit better to the body. Next, loosely install the 3 lower mud flap holes to the inner fender using 3 black screws and 3 black washers. When installing the flap, make sure the inner flap ear is placed behind the liner, as shown. On the top mud flap slot, install the custom clamp. Be sure to fit the tab of the clamp into the slot on the flap. And loosely install it with a black screw and black washer so that the clamp pinches the fender and the flap together. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. With a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill through the inner liner and mud flap. Install the inner mud flap hole to the liner using a stainless bolt and stainless washer and secure it with a stainless washer, lock washer, and nut. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.